let's get into sampling thing now. In sampling, there are two things. First question is very genuine. How you are picking the sample, right? Question is, how do you pick the sample? Okay, how do you pick the sample when the population thing come into picture, right? So, because if you're not doing that properly, you will have the wrong analysis. So, methodology of picking the sample should also be appropriate. And then how much sample you need is the another thing that we'll be discussing now. So let's get about the sampling. So first of all, sampling methodology. It's easy, quicker topic. It's just theory part and sample sizes calculation part. How do you pick the sample? The sampling methodology sort of, right? Why do you need sample? Please pay attention. Obviously, population is very difficult, cost associated. Measuring a population sometimes is impossible as well, right? How many of you used to watch this show of Arnav Goswami? He says, India wants to know, right? Do you relate that? So when he says, Pushta hai Bharat, so, does he speak to you also? Because you are also Indian. He doesn't speak to you or neither me, right? We all are Indian though. So he still talk on our behalf. So basically he cannot talk to all of us and then raise a question. Otherwise, every day 7 o'clock, he cannot come. So that is called sampling because population measurement is next to impossible. It is very costly. It is very, very time consuming. And that's where a small sample is recommended. Now, how much? That is the next. But how do you pick sample is the question. Okay. So sample is what? Small, you can say a representation of a population. Okay. That is what you can consider sample. Sampling is a process of collecting subset or a portion of a data from the population, predicting the population characteristic. So it predict the population characteristic, how their population is all about.